Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can use credit balance on Temu. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Temu app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, check out products and add them to your cart. Now, make sure to keep track of your credit limit so you don't exceed it. After that, head to checkout and select Temu Credit as your payment option. Write your down payment or the product. Usually Temu requires a certain amount upfront. This ranges from 25% to 60% of the total price. Finally, confirm your order and make sure the shipping address is correct. After you pay the down payment, Temu will send you the product and deduct the balance from your Temu credit. But before doing anything, make sure that you are eligible for Temu credit. In order to use it, you must be 18 years or older to qualify. It's also mandatory to show proof of a stable income so they know that you can repay the debt. Additionally, Temu requires a good credit score and an ID verification to avoid fraud. That's how you can use credit balance on Temu. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.